Good evening, everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths Program. So today we are going to see this question. Verify the following statement for being true or false. Okay. What is the question? If G is a cyclic group that is generator is A. Okay. This is cyclic group. G is cyclic group of order 10. Then the mapping sigma G to G such that sigma takes a to the power k to a to the power 2k or k is an automorphism. So we have to verify this statement is true or false. So we'll see it. Okay. So actually answer is no. So why it is no, we will see it. Okay. What we have? We have a to the power k is equal to a to the power 2k. So by this, what we have? We have, because each element x belongs to G implies there exists k such that x is equal to a to the power k. So it means this is my x and I can write it x to the power k because this is nothing but okay. So what is this? This is, so what is sigma actually? Sigma is nothing but this is square for all x belongs to G. Okay. Now, order of G is 10. So this implies order of A generator means 10. Okay. So this implies A to the power 10 is actually identity. Now, also we have order of A is 10 implies A to the power 5 cannot be identity. If it can be identity, the order of A will be less than equal to 5. In that case, order of G will be less than equal to 5. But order of G is 10, so A to the power 5 cannot be identity. Okay. So A to the power 5 cannot be identity. Okay. Now, next, what is F? So what is sigma? What is sigma A to the power 5? It will be A to the power 5 square. That will be equal to A to the power 10 equal to identity. Okay. And we know that identity goes to identity under a homomorphism. Okay. So identity goes to identity. You can check also that it is actually image of sigma E. Okay. Because sigma, what sigma? So here you see that I'm writing this here. So what is sigma E? How we can write E? E can be written as A to the power 0 means E. So this is A to the power 0 square, or you can write directly here. What is this sigma E? This is E square. E square is identity. So this implies sigma a to the power 5 is equal to sigma e is equal to e. So this implies e to the power 5 is equal to sigma e. But a to the power 5 is not equal to e. So this implies sigma is not 1. Okay. Sigma is not 1. So we know that automorphism is always a 1. So this implies sigma is not an automorphism. Okay. So 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 answer is no. So answer is no. So this statement is false. So this statement is false. Okay. So in place of no, I should write false because answer is required. Either it is true or false. So it is false. Okay. Okay. So today's question up to this. If you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's question. Thank you.